Well, here's a little cautionary tale. So I was out here by the greenhouse by the mower shed working, and I smashed my thumb and it was bleeding. So rather than have to walk all the way back over to the house, I thought, well, I'll just come over here to the truck and get my first aid kit out of my get home bag that sits behind the passenger seat and fix myself up. And I did that. But when I went to get it, I saw ants all over my get home bag. And damned if they didn't get in the food. So, and there's the food right there that they got into. So, there's the cautionary tale. Even though they were sealed in plastic bags, and I haven't actually looked. Well, they're in there. Now that's interesting. They're inside that bag. Even though it appears to be, oh, they gnawed a hole. Can you see that? Can you see that hole? They gnawed a hole into this bag. So, it never in my wildest occurred to me that ants would get into the food stash. Now, this probably wouldn't happen in a daily driver, but this old truck only goes to Lowe's and the gravel pit, and it's probably sat here for about 3 weeks. I haven't driven it or moved it, and who knows? I may be parked on an ant bed. I don't know. But the point is, I am going to have to look again at how I store my food in my get home bag, because that's just no bueno. All right, like I said, it's a cautionary tale. I'm going to revamp how I pack stuff in my get home bag, and I suggest that you look at doing the same if you've been relying on fairly heavy duty plastic bags. And there's that hole right there. Do you see that hole that they're getting in? They gnawed them a little hole, and now they're getting on me. All right, thanks for watching.